Hey, my name is Matthias. Nice to have you here. Today I'll show you how to get YouTube analytics data into ChatGPT. It's a 3 steps process. Step number 1, the connection of your YouTube account. Step number 2, the installation of a connector within ChatGPT. And step number 3, finally, the prompting of your YouTube account in ChatGPT. Let's get started. As a step number 1, you head to onboard.windsor.ai, and in there you look for YouTube. Then you sign in with Google, and here it's important that the owner of the YouTube channel authorizes, meaning the Google account behind the owner of the YouTube channel. Then once this is done, the account name and account ID of the channel appears here. Then you select it. As step number 2, you head to ChatGPT, open your settings page, head to advanced settings. Here, turn on the developer mode, click create app, call it Windsor.ai. As the MCP server URL, you use mcp.windsor.ai. Leave the other boxes here empty and tick I understand and want to continue. Then you click create. Now the YouTube channel is connected to ChatGPT and we can start prompting. Let's say, what are my best performing videos on YouTube in the last 30 days by views? Now you can see the best performing videos over the last 30 days with the view count. This is now an example of a super simple query. Of course, you might want to ask it your own questions, or you can also start with our prompt library, which can be found in the description of this video, to get started right away. Thanks very much for watching. It was great to have you here and enjoy working with our connectors.